Welcome, guys. I'm excited. I'm pumped. We're getting ready to talk about cannabis, marijuana, trading the markets, and all that bunch of jazz. Let's get right into it. Alrighty. Let me just pull this over here. I'm not going to worry about opening that up. I'm just going to let you see it as is. Okay, here we go. Cannabis and cryptocurrency recorded from the bathroom closet. No joke, I'm in my bathroom closet right now. On January the 8th, 2018 at 4:20 p.m. We will be discussing pot coin, cannabis coin, dope coin, hemp coin, and canna coin. Disclaimer number one, cannabis is still illegal on the federal level as of the time of this recording. I don't advocate participating in any illegal activities, so do whatever you want. Number two, trading disclaimer. The risk of loss trading any financial market can be substantial. This means that if you spend too much on cryptocurrency or anything else and it goes down, you won't have enough funds for your next stash. You must be aware and willing to accept these risks in order to invest. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial security or crypto token. No representation is being made that any account is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to the ones discussed here. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any strategies discussed are for educational purposes only and should not be construed as specific trading advice. This material is for educational purposes only. Okay, so today we're going to be discussing the cannabis plant and cryptocurrencies. If you are easily offended, turn the recording off. Okay, why am I promoting an illegal product? Well, let's look at the map here. You see the green area? Here's where it's legal, according to this picture. The yellow is where it's, let me look at it, it's medical. And the orange, it's on a limited medical. The red is where it's illegal. So it is illegal on the federal level. It is legal on the state level in some states. Why is it still illegal? Well, on the federal level, most likely because a lot of people die from its use every year, right? Well, let's take a look. Annual deaths, let's say tobacco, 400,000 people die from tobacco, 100,000 from alcohol, 20,000 from legal drugs, 15 from illegal drugs, 2,000 die from caffeine, really? 500 die from aspirin. There's been no recorded, and you can go try to find it, no recorded deaths from marijuana use ever. Maybe it's because it doesn't actually have a medical benefit. Well, let's take a look. Okay, what marijuana treats? Now, the ones that I have circled are the ones that I have actually researched, so I know that they are true, not only from a researcher standpoint, but from a personal standpoint. I do know for a fact that medical marijuana does cure migraines. It doesn't make them feel better. It doesn't make them less hurtful. It cures them overnight. It does. So based upon my research on that, I started researching a lot of other things, and do your own research. Okay, maybe it's still illegal because it will not help the economy. Well, take a look at the chart. If you're watching this, you're probably a trader, so you can take a look at this chart and derive your own conclusion from that. Okay, maybe it's because local governments and schools will not benefit from it. Well, again, this picture's from, I think, Oregon. And your taxes from whenever you buy it are going to schools and local governments and the police and all that. So that can't be it. Or maybe there's no industrial use for it. Well, there you go. Look at it. Hemp can be used to make all kinds of stuff. I'm not getting into the argument about, oh, this marijuana plant or hemp, marijuana, cannabis, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Hemp is in with the whole marijuana thing, you know, whatever. There you go. And that's why I discuss it. So now that we have all the masses starting to understand nowadays, I mean, it didn't used to be that way 10 years ago, 20 years ago, but now we do. Governments are total turds who must be bought off. They have to be bought off. I mean, they can't even open their eyes. So then we must also understand that we can make money based upon the future rise of a value. And I just got tongue-tied. And we also understand that we can make money on the rise of the value of companies that use this plant for whatever it is that they do with their businesses. So how are these cannabis-based cryptocurrency coins doing so far? Well, let's go take a look at them. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to take a look at pot USD. Where did I put my thing? Hang on. Okay, this is the pot coin. Now, what the chart shows us, we can only see so much through the chart. Hang on, I'm looking at a demo of Trading View right now. I'm just going to pull this chart back. Okay, we're on the hourly. I'm going to go to a daily chart so we can open it up a little bit more. And this is what it looks like up until November, or up until October of 2016. There was no movement, and there was really no movement up until roundabout in between spring of 2017, and then it just took off from there. It went up a little bit, pulled back like most of them did, and then went up again much higher. One thing that I do notice about this chart, where are we at here, is that it has a lot of wicks. It moves a lot and then it retraces a lot. You can see all these little bitty wicks up here and down here. So maybe that's a little bit of confusion in the market. I can tell you that it is confusion based upon the fact that it's in a consolidation right here. But one thing I want to show you about consolidation, hang on. Here we go. I want you to take a look at this for a second. Don't worry about the wicks. Can you see a little triangle forming right there? A triangle. It's going to bust out of this triangle before these two come together, like out here somewhere. Before this line and this line comes together, this will bust out. Will it bust out to the upside or the downside? I don't know. We'll talk about fundamentals too. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Now, I know a bunch of people are mad at CoinMarketCap today because of what they did with the whole Korean stock or Korean exchange, whatever. Let's type this in. I'm not here to debate that. Potcoin. Let's look. Are they a real company or not? Well, one thing I can see is they have 420 million Potcoins. That's a max supply, so that's fine. There's not too many. We don't want one that has like 100 billion like Ripple's got, because it's not going to go up very much. Right now it's sold about half of them, so they got about half the coins out there. The price is only 36 cents, so that's pretty good. So, you know, based upon my assumption, the chart's moving fine. The numbers look fine. I still don't know if they're a real company. I'm going to leave this up here. We're going to come back to it after we look at all the charts. The next one we're going to focus on is called Cannabis coin. Let me see. All right. Now this chart, I mean, we don't really have a lot of data to look at. We just don't. We have a straight line of absolutely nothing for a while, and then it skyrockets. And that's it. So, you know, let me pull this chart back a little bit. Oh, wrong way. Here's the current chart that we're looking at. These are daily bars. I do notice that it's not as volatile as some of the others, but the chart is up. Let's go look at Cannabis coin on CoinMarketCap. Okay, the price is 30 cents right here, so it's a good priced coin. There are 91 million of these, so technically from a supply standpoint, it'd be better to buy the Cannabis coin than the pot coin because there's just not as many of them. Pot coin has 420 million, and I see where they got the 420. I know that. It's not a thing that has a thing in the world to do with trading, though. It has a thing it's to do with getting high, but I mean, it's anyhow. Okay, so we got 91 million, almost 92, we'll say 92 million Most of them have been bought up or are currently circulating there. So I would personally buy this coin over the pot coin. I would. Market cap right now is 23 million. The volume is 2 million. You know, it's okay, but it is going straight up. But the simple fact that it only has this much supply. Come on, what's the next one? Next one. So right now, this is my pick. We're going to go with Dope Coin. Oh, this is just stupid. Dope Coin. Do they want anybody to take them seriously? No offense, Dope Coin holders. Oh, I might buy this. Okay, so the first thing that I see, let me pop it up here. Okay. Okay, we see a little trend. I'm not using the wicks. They're all over the place. We see a little trend, a trend line right there. Now, you know, it's going up. It's forming what's called a flag. Most likely, it's going to continue to just freaking skyrocket. But I haven't checked if these companies are real yet. And that's what I'm getting ready to do. It's priced around the same price. Ah, that's not the right one. Of course it's priced around the same price. Dope Coin. Okay. Okay, this one's priced at 19 cents and has 116, let's say 117 million of them. So that's better than pot coin too. It's much better. It's cheaper and there's less of them. So if I were going to trade any one of these, I'd trade this one. I'd trade Dope Coin. Because pot coin has 420 million versus Dope Coin has 116. However, I haven't looked into the, I haven't found out if they're a real company yet. Their chart looks good, of course. So, but we're going to find out if they're a real company here in a minute. Now, what I mean, find out if they're a real company. Well, a lot of people, this space has a lot of people that are just not real. Okay, so hemp coin. Hemp coin. Oh, no. I like their ticker. THCUSD. There we go. Hemp coin. Oh, that one's nice. Oh, that's real nice. It's in a very nice upward motion here. Okay, so let's go look at hemp coin. Let's see, hemp coin. You know what? I should be using the Brave browser for this. I hate all these stupid ads. By the way, the Brave browser is fan-freaking-tastic. It's fast. Okay, now, issues detected. I will talk to you in a few minutes there, John. Hang on. Okay, hemp coin is 62 cents, and the circulating supply is 230. What's the max supply? I don't know what the max supply is. I have to find out later. It's just going straight up. I'm not going to buy it here, you know, not at the top. But let me look over here. Oh yeah, I mean it's on a pullback, you know. But anyhow, looks like a good thing to buy. But let me look at Canacoin. I know it's in here. CCN. Maybe it's Bitcoin. Hang on. Okay, I couldn't find it over here. It's not on here. That's not it. It's not over here, so we're going to look at the chart down here. Let's look at it. Look at the green one priced in USD. Okay, it took a jump too. So it's up to 36 cents. There's 4 million of them. So, okay, based upon, oh, no, that's just the circulating supply. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to find out what the total supply is on that one and that one. And I'm not going to do that for this video. So, wait a second. So I'm looking here. And the one that I like a lot is this one, Cannabis coin. The next one I like is this dope coin. I like them all. You can do whatever you want to with all of them. I'm going to be focused on these two, and I'm just going to look and find out, okay, are they a real company or is it just some fad? So I want to find out what they are. I want to find out what they stand for, what kind of product they offer. All right, here's dope coin. Okay, so I'm sitting here. I had to cut that off because I don't want to get slapped with a copyright infringement for playing their music on my channel. Here's the dope coin as seen on Fox Business. Let's check that out. Okay, so it's on Fox. That's cool. Okay, simple fact that it was mentioned on TV is a pretty good daggone thing.
You're short on cash. Why not consider dope coin or perhaps pot coin for your purchases? FoxBusinesses.com. Gabrielle Carroll is here to explain.
Pot coin and dope coin meet the two new Bitcoin-like currencies for buying marijuana. Okay, so that's cool. All right. Okay, so it's okay. Dope coin's got some stuff out there, and so does pot coin. Blockchain started as proper marijuana. Blah blah blah. Metal. There's a couple more, token or whatever, and metal. So there's more. Every time I turn around, there's a new company popping up that I've never heard of before. Okay, so anyhow, I'm not messing with those. But this dope coin sounds fine. Actually, I'm starting to think about Potcoin a little. Potcoin a little bit because it resources. Okay, I guess you can get it on Bittrex. Okay, so just the simple fact I saw it on CNBC or Fox News. That's okay. What is this Cannabis coin? Well, I'm looking here, Cannabis. Well, I'm looking for. Do they have any latest news and announcements? Do they have any partnerships with anybody? That's it. Okay, I'm just going to type in Cannabis coin. Cannabis coin, and see what comes up. That. Okay, do they have any news? Are they in the news? I'll look at that. Global Coin Report. Okay. Nothing really. Okay, so they're not really out there. Let me try Potcoin because that was another one I was looking at. I guess it's going to be Dogecoin. I'm going to try one more thing, Potcoin. Okay, I am looking for news. I want to find out if they're on the TV. Potcoin Vision, Dennis Rodman. Oh yeah, this company sent Dennis Rodman. I think freaking North Korea or somewhere again. I don't know. Let me think. Let me look here. Yeah, he's going North Korea again. I don't know if he went or whatever, but Potcoin now in 800 ATMs in over 35 countries. That's pretty freaking cool. Create anything you want with Potcoin's Chain Explorer. Now I'm just going to type Potcoin in here to Google. See what comes up. Okay. Cool, it's up there. What I'm looking for is how much of Potcoin is on the first page of Google. Let me see what he says. It's from the San Gabriel Valley Tribune. What is hemp coin and why is it different from Potcoin? Creating anything you want with Potcoin's Chain Explorer. Okay, cool. Okay, that part's cool. Looks legit. Okay, they're in ATMs. If they're in ATMs, I mean, come on. They're yeah. That's pretty nifty. I wonder if they're in Amsterdam. I bet there's a whole lot of them there. Okay, so between Dopecoin now and Potcoin, because I had to mark off Cannabis coin. Between Dopecoin and Potcoin, it's still going to have to be Dopecoin. That's my I don't own any of these, but I'm going to buy some. I'm going to buy some of this. I'm probably going to where's it at? I'm probably going to be doing Dopecoin. I'm probably going to buy just a little bit of Potcoin and maybe one of something else. If I'll have to research some more, but there we go. Okay, guys, that's pretty much all I've got today. Well, before we get off here, I do want to go over the market cap. Market cap has fallen a little bit today by $50 billion. A little bit by $50 billion. Everything's down across the board today. Look at it. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum, Ripple, all these, they're all down. Everything's down. There's a few sticking their nose up. Icon, I've never even researched that one. Okay, I went off on a tangent there. Anyhow, never mind. I got off to talking about Potcoin, which is like 3 trillion coins. It's kind of a crazy coin, but anyhow, okay, guys, that's all I've got. I don't want to sign up. That's all I got. Thank you. I will talk to you next time. Okay, bye-bye.